quick unboxing before we get into this. This is the ThinkCar 672 ECU scanner. Here it is right here. Comes with all the cables, power cord, your OBD2 cable, converters for different countries, and then the power plug for charging it. Let's run this on my 19 Silverado and see what codes we come up with and what all we can do with this. Today we are going to work on reading my ECU and hopefully getting rid of this TPMS sensor and this service tire monitor system that always comes up. Let's get into this video. Alright, first what we did, we plugged it into the OBD port located underneath the steering wheel, sometimes toward the middle. And here is our welcome screen. We're going to walk you guys through this. Freshly opened it and freshly trying it out. So English. So you got to put your key in the forward position. And let's go to an auto search. So this is going to come up with the VIN number. Sorry about the glare. So I'm going to blur that out, but it tells me it's a 19 Silverado. Notes. And this is all real life. Thinkscan did send this out to me. And if you want to support them, I will drop an affiliate link below. But let's go to, we have automatic search, manual select via VIN, manual select medium duty truck. I'm going to do an automatic search. Okay, I turn my key in the forward position so it's not running. Go to OK. Tells me everything about my truck, motor, everything. Let's do a health report. So what it's doing here, it's going to scan the ECM, glow plug, which we don't have, transfer case module, brake control, came up with red, so 7 faults. Body control module, 5 faults. Instrument heat, it's doing a full health check. Ventilation and air conditioning 1, radio 1. Telecommunication issues. So my truck has 111,000 miles on it. That is why I've been wanting to get one of these, so I don't have to take it to the dealership every time I have a fault or something comes up. I will come back after this is done and show you guys the results. It's already almost finished. Before we get too much into this, Thinkscan, thank you very much. Like I said, we'll drop a link below. Support them, like, subscribe to the channel. We like getting products, doing reviews for you guys before you have to go and buy the product itself. It's around $300. And this isn't just for GMC trucks. This covers everything: gas, diesel, cars, trucks, whatever you need. It's on the software. And with unlimited software updates, you're good for the life of your vehicle. You're going to save some money at the dealership and taking it in, and repairs if you do them yourself or you have somebody that can do them for you. Let's get back into this video. So this has found 15 system faults. So even though I don't have a check engine light on, it's found all these. Body control module, so this is the tire sensors, radio, it lost communications. It looks like the ECM is good, TCM, TCCM, all this stuff is great, normal. So what I'm going to do, I can clear these faults. So right now I'm resetting all my faults and clearing it out. And as you see over here, of course, the check engine light is on because the vehicle's not running, but my tire pressure sensor went away. Back into this, it's already at 93%. So, alright. Bike control module, I still have tire sensor low voltage, left front, right front, and a global position sensor system open. So what I did is I just made a report. I put all my information in so I can save this as a PDF, then export out later. Alright, let's go to PDF. Report has been saved. Alright, so let's go back here. I want to, let's go back to the main menu. In my diagnostics, I'm going to go to, so that was diagnostics. You have maintenance. And as you can see, a lot of different options. And this is always upgradable for the life. Support. Tire size adjustment. What can I do here? Window calibration. So here's my TPMS reset. So I'm going to enter that. Alright, I'm going to choose GM. Do automatically search, read the VIN again, turn ignition on. And my lights are clear. Let's go to the 40/40. Still got the rear one is out. Alright, let's go over all the options here. So we have air to fuel ratio, ABS bleeding, add blue for diesel, adaptive front lighting, air suspension, airbag, battery, brake pad reset, electric water pump, DPF, diff, EGR, electronic throttle body, gear learning, so you can re-gear your vehicle. You can change it all in here. Anti-theft key matching, injector coding, it's language, NOx, odometer reset, oil reset, seat calibration, steering angle reset, stop start. We have the TPMS, which it did reset it. I might have to relearn it after I drive it. I have to look more into that. transport mode, tire size. So if you upgrade your tires, perfect for that. Window calibration. Into the upgrade, it has, so the latest version, like I said, unlimited upgrades, that's great. Maintenance software, latest version of that. Settings, you have online service, user manual, OBD2 fault code, coverage list. Gadget, Google Chrome, okay, and remote assistance. So somebody can probably remote into this, a technician, and you use this, connect to Wi-Fi. It will tell them everything they need to help you diagnose your vehicle. Very nice. We have auto surge, diagnostics, OBD, history, report, feedback, maintenance list. So these are all the ones that are along the top. So if I go to history, there's the scan that we just did. So it's going to load all the information that we just did. I'm very happy for this product. Great. It looks like it's going to do everything I need to do. Like I said, with my truck getting higher miles, I don't always like to go to the dealership. I like to root cause this stuff myself. And with 111,000 miles, we can do it now with the Thinkscan 672 scanner. If you're interested in one of these, link will be below. Don't forget, please support the channel, subscribe, you like this type of stuff. Like I said, they did send this to me. I'm not getting paid to promote their product. It is overall meets every expectation of a scanner. It's around about $300, so that would save you 1-2 trips to go get your ECU scanned somewhere. So check out video on the left and right. We come back, we're doing a lot of stuff to this 19 Silverado, including a big touch screen and more stuff coming this year. We also have a 67 GMC truck build. And check out video on the left and right. We'll see you guys in the next one.